Okay, pool fans, welcome to episode 31. Let's go ahead and attack this rack with a 30-degree cut. Top of the second ball. Let's get started. All right, guys, we're on the 5 ball. We're hitting the top of the 9. We're lined up with 9/8. That's because the 5 ball is closer to the pocket, so we have to adjust slightly. This is a half ball hit. I'm gonna hit this with a stun follow, medium full stroke. That should keep me on that side of the table instead of coming back up table. Okay, with this angle of attack, you're noticing that the rack just completely explodes. Shouldn't be any problems getting through this one. I'm going to play the 2-1. I'll play the 2. Play the 4. Play the 10. Play the 6. To the 3. Play 3 to the 9. Nine to the 7. To the 14, to the 12, to the 8, to the 15. Okay, pool players, this concludes episode 31. Overall, good break shot, opened it up nicely, gave us some good results. A couple combinations early on, but nothing too difficult. This led to a nice, simple pattern, and as long as you stuck to your guns, focused, pretty easy out. Hope you guys had similar results at home or in the pool hall. Have a great day or night, and I'll see you guys next angle. Thanks for watching.